Hello, my name is Derek Stalder. I assist customers with their orders and explain the different printing options that are available. I also help with the decisions of which product would give them the optimal result with the design they have in mind and their budget. With all of the variations of products Good Sports has to offer, it is challenging to keep up with the many changes in the apparel industry. Trends come and go, and our customers keep us on our toes. So knowing the product, their structure, and how it responds to certain printing techniques is a constant learning process. I am also responsible for outside sales. I enjoy going to businesses, schools, and recreational sports organizations to discuss with them the benefit of choosing Good Sports. The services and products we offer and our competitive pricing is always well received. I find people appreciate the time savings of me bringing the product and information to them, as many people do not have the time to get away from their duties at work, so they go to online options and are disappointed in either the product, the quality of workmanship, or the cost. They know having a Good Sports representative to work with them gives them all the time savings as online shopping, but with the confidence of having someone who is local and only a phone call away. I can show them samples of products so they can have an opportunity to make a hands-on decision on the way the item looks and feels. Once I have the order details needed, I turn the artwork to our graphic artist, Mitchell. He brings to life the sketches and the ideas the customers have created and transforms them into workable pieces of art we use for screening and embroidery process.
Hi, my name is Mitchell, and I'm the graphic artist here at Good Sports. And my job is to oversee all of the artwork that comes in and out of our store. Right now I'm working on something for embroidery. I'm just swapping a name so I can put it on a duffel bag. After I'm done swapping the name, I save the file, open up the embroidery link software, connect to the machines, and load the designs to the machines. After the design is loaded onto the machine, I will make sure that the correct thread color is chosen, and then I will enter in the thread changes accordingly depending on the design. I load the item onto the machine, do a perimeter check to make sure that it fits inside the hoop that I selected, and then the machines take care of the rest. The only thing that I have to do is monitor them and make sure that there aren't any thread breaks and nothing crazy happens. So here are the machines stitching out the same design, different names though. And there's the finished product. Now this is a piece of artwork that somebody brought in. This was drawn by somebody that was on the basketball team. And what you see me doing here now is just clicking and dragging, placing points. Although you will notice that I'm moving extremely fast. I don't actually work this fast. This is a time-lapse video of what took me originally an hour, condensed into about 2 minutes. And as you'll notice, I'm not staying completely true to the original drawing. I'm making small editing decisions, taking some artistic license and deciding what I think will look best as I clean this up as I go. And you'll see I just draw on top, and I will move things to be placed on different layers accordingly so that the artwork looks the way that it should. And now I'm making a basketball out of 3 circles. I'm going to select the font that I think looks the closest to what they gave me, and then tweak accordingly. And here is the finished vector. After I have a finished vector, I color separate it and print it out individually so that it can be burned onto screens for screen printing. And Cami will show you how to do the rest from here.
Hi, my name is Cami Stiles, and I'm the screen printer here at Good Sports. It's my job to take Mitchell's artwork and turn it into the final product. The first thing I'm going to do is burn each different color or each page of artwork onto its own screen. This particular design is 5 colors. Each individual piece of artwork will be exposed to light on its own screen. Once this step is done, I will spray out the screen, leaving only the design for the ink to travel through. Once I have all the screens and they've been exposed and dried, I will set them up and begin the process of lining up the design so that each shirt is as close to perfect as I can make it. When all of the screens have been set up, I'm ready to make a test shirt. I make test shirts so that I can make sure all of the screens are in the correct location. Once the test shirt is complete, I'm now ready to start on the customer's order. When I've printed all 5 colors on the customer's shirt, it's now ready to go through the dryer. The drying process takes approximately 60 seconds, and when the shirt comes out the other end of the dryer, it's ready for the customer.